saying? Not the time or the place.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Bree, and if you're not, welcome back. So I was so excited to film today's video because one, I'm filming on my new camera, and two, today's video is going to be a little try on haul of the tie-dye clothes that I have made. So if you guys saw my last video, then you guys know I got a new camera, so this is my very first video using my new camera. So if the lighting isn't the best or the settings, I did mess with it a little bit, but I'm hoping it works in my favor. I still have to play around and mess with it, obviously. So I'm basically going to be showing you guys the tie-dye sets and shirts that I made. It was super easy and fun. Tie-dye is super popular right now, so I did want to give it a try because I think it's so cute. All the clothes is pretty much from either Misguided, Pretty Little Things, or Amazon. I just picked up a bunch of white clothes and I tie-dyed them. Everything that I used will be linked down below. The tie-dye that I used was a tie-dye set from Amazon, as well as some Ritz dye. I'm going to be including 3 videos that really helped me out. I pretty much just followed those videos when I was tie-dyeing, and I did include a little bits and pieces of me doing it. I'm trying to look at the camera and not at myself because it's different. I used to have like the pop-up screen on top, so I could always just look at myself, and now it's over here. So I'm trying my best not to look over there and look here. So if you guys want to get into how I tie-dyed my clothes and the try-on haul of the finished results, just keep watching. So you're gonna need a bowl filled with hot water. It does have to be on the warmer side. Dish soap, and then your dye. I'm using the Rit dye here from Amazon in the color tan. And then you're just gonna mix your dye in the bowl and mix it. I have this extra towel here that I use to test out the color and to make sure the color is to my liking. I saw this in a video, thought it was a great idea, so I'm just testing it out, adding more as I go. You want to start off with a little bit, that way you have the possibility to build up the color to your liking. You don't want to put too much and then be stuck with it. You could also always add more water too if you decide that you don't want it as bright or as dark, but that's just how that goes. So now that the color is to my liking, we're going to go ahead and get started. I just added dish soap. That's what I saw other people do. I don't know what the purpose of that is, but I'm guessing it helps. And then I am using this little like squeezy bottle. I have a bunch because I'm a hairstylist, so I usually tone my clients with these kind of bottles. You can get them on Amazon, but it's just gonna make tie-dyeing a lot easier. And then as you can see, I did make a lot, and the reason because I'm going to be making a sweatshirt, sweats, and a shirt. So you want to make sure you make enough, that way everything matches up perfectly. And here I am just taking my sweats, my joggers from Misguided. So you want to make sure that every piece of clothing is wet or damp. I just ran it under water and squeezed out all the excess, and you can just see me here. This is like the crinkle method, and I'm just pretty much like crinkling it all up. It doesn't have to be perfect, that's just what I'm doing. So as I am crinkling it up, I just put the elastic band over it. I saw a video that said you didn't need to use elastics, but it kind of keeps everything a little bit more organized. So I'm just going to start squirting the little bottle out, and you want to make sure that you're getting every piece or every area that's there. Just go crazy with it. There's no right or wrong way. Just get it all on there and hope for the best.
What are you saying? Not the time or the place, baby, it's not right. It's not right, no. Going insane.
So this part right here is optional. You don't have to do it, but I'm a perfectionist and I want to make sure that what I'm doing is going to come out good. I would highly advise you to do it, just that way you're 100% happy with your results. So I did go ahead and untie this just to see. As you can see, the bottom looks nice, but at the top there's still a lot of white that I didn't want to see. So I'm going to go in again, scrunch it up and get some of that white that was still showing. And I think I did this another time too. After this one I unfolded it, still saw a lot of white, so I went ahead and did it again. So here is the set that I did, the pink and the purple. The pink is the Ritz dye, and then the purple dye that I used was part of the Amazon tie-dye set that I picked up. So for some reason the purple, I guess I didn't make it dark enough, or I don't know what happened, but it kind of got washed out within the pink, so you see when I do the try on haul portion that you're not going to see the purple that much. So I suggest maybe going a little bit darker with the colors, because as you wash them, it's going to fade out a little bit.
One more round, I'm not going down tonight. Baby, you're worth the fight.
So this is just the purple crop top that I made. I did make this purple a little bit darker, and I just sprinkled it up like all the other ones. And then I did want to include, after you're done tie-dyeing, you're going to put everything in a plastic bag, which you'll see at the end, and the longer you let it sit, the better, pretty much. I let it sit overnight. You don't want to wash it too soon. And then I did wash everything separately with cold water, and before putting it in the washer, I did go ahead and run water through. So here's the first set. Both the tee and the sweats are from Misguided. This set I actually used Ritz dye for it, and it was a tan color, so it came out a lot pinker than I wanted. And I did make the sweatshirt to go with it. Like I said before, you can't really mess up tie-dye. They all came out super cute, and it does not have to be perfect. Next up, I did this set. So this set was actually, I did a mixture of like light purple and pink, but the purple did not pick up. So I do want to make another set just like a light purple. Shirt is from Pretty Little Things. The sweats are the same sweats as the last ones from Misguided. I really recommend Misguided if you're planning on tie-dyeing, because they have the most comfiest sweats. Then this is the matching sweater from Misguided. It's just like this crew neck, and it has a cut right here. I thought it was super cute. Next up, I did do this hot pink t-shirt dress just to lounge around in. I wanted something bright. Typically I don't go for like these bright colors, but I thought it would be cute to just be around the house with it, and the shirt is from Misguided. You could also just tie this up in the front and make it into a cute shirt. Next up is just this little crop top from Misguided as well. I definitely want to make a full purple set, but probably not as purple as this. I want to do it like a light purple, like a pastel lilac purple. I think that would be so cute. Lastly, I have this crop top. This top is actually from Amazon, and I did like this denim blue. I actually really want to make a whole set with either this blue or like a lighter sky blue. I think that would look really nice because I'm so obsessed with this top. I loved the way it turned out. Okay, you guys, so that concludes today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys try to tie-dye your own sets at home, send me a picture. I would love to see them. They're so cute and so popular right now. Everything that I mentioned will be linked down below, as well with 3 videos that really helped me out by other YouTubers here. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. That way you guys can get notified whenever I post a new video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. It is linked down below. And also let me know what you guys think about the quality of my new camera. If I need to change anything in the light or the settings, help a girl out. I will see you guys real soon.